Hey, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to I Need My Garage Time. Tonight I'm going to be unboxing another one of my favorite G bodies, the 1987 Buick Grand National by Monogram. This is a two-in-one kit. You have the Grand National Turbo and the Grand National GNX. I like this one because it has the Buick vents that Buick had been doing for a long time, and it became very popular. I say it was Buick's signature by putting these on their vehicles. You always notice a Buick when they got those vents on it. All right, so let's open it up. Let's see what we got. Now I've already opened the packages, just save us some time, okay? So, all right, so we got two sets of tires here, okay? These are a little bigger than these. You maybe can do a staggered look on them or just use all four, however you want it. All right, so we have our windshield back window with the defroster. We have our quarter panel windows. We have our lenses for the park lights. We have headlight lenses. So another thing I like about this kit, they don't use 5 and 6 bags. They have only 3 bags, and they put most of their stuff in this bag right here. All right, so here's the 1987 Grand National body itself. It has the built-in spoiler on the back. And you have everything underneath the hood. You have your battery, reservoir, fan motor, another reservoir, and a few more other things over here. Well, your windshield wipers. All right, so next here we have fender flares. I don't know what this is. We have two different cluster choices. Here's the one with the round gauges, and here's the other one with the that has the numbers, big numbers going across, which came in all the Buicks, the Buick LeSabre, Park Avenue. That was a nice luxury cluster. And this is more of a sport cluster. You have your wheel adapters, and you have your rear bumper. All right, next we have our hood. What is this? This is the engine part. You have your dual exhaust system, radiator. You have your steering wheel, relaxer fan. You have your rear lead springs. You have your rearview mirrors for the doors, rear suspension, front suspension, and the full dash. All right, next up we have your Grand National grill. You have another front bumper, and you also have another rear bumper. This rear bumper has the bars on it here. And this is the back part of your seats. You have your belt and pulley assembly. You have another fan. You have engine parts. You have a steering column, gear selector. You have your engine heads. Here you have your coil springs, your shocks. Another one of my favorites, the door panels. I love the fact that the door panels are detached, because you can customize them any way you want to customize them. Floor pans, back seat, console. All right, next here we have the chassis. Got the chassis. And you have the front of your seats. And this looks like the intercooler fan. You have your headers, the engine part. Here's your V6 turbo engine and transmission. Here's your brake system. All right. Here we have your tail lights. One has already come off, but it's okay. Your tail lights. All right, so here, next you have your Grand National turbo rally wheels, and you have let's see, this is your intake, this is your turbo system, transmission pan. That look like a coolant hose or some type of hose. These go behind the headlights. So once you put the lenses on, it reflects and looks like an actual light. Okay. These are the GNX wheels. You have valve covers, rearview mirror, your valve cover plug. These are designed to go inside of the rearview mirrors for the doors to act as an actual mirror. All right, what we got next? Decal sheet. All right, so here are your decals. You have your license plates for the GNX and the turbo. You have your here. You got the GNX and turbo decals for the centerpieces for the wheels. Let's see. Again, this is my favorite. That cluster. Let's see if it'll. This cluster right here. That's what I was telling you about the number. That luxury cluster. I love that. So yeah, you have a nice decal sheet here. That's cool. All right. So next. Let's see here. All right, so we have instructions next. They look pretty simple. All right, simple instructions. Your engine, pulley assembly, chassis and muffler system. This is your intercooler system, radiator, tires and wheels, rear end being attached to the chassis with the suspension. Placing your engine on the chassis, dashboard, clusters, front suspension. All right, interior, door panels, gear shifter, seats, headlights. Those are the lenses I was telling you about, and the chrome reflectors that go behind it. That's all your windows and stuff you put in there. Okay. Here, these are the tail lights. So this car came with two different bumpers. I don't know if I just mentioned it or not, but that's one style, and that's the second style bumper they have. And they also have the decals you put underneath your hood to act as a hood pad. So yeah, this is a pretty cool kit. It reminds me a lot of the 442 kit. I don't know when I'm gonna get a chance to start on it. It might be a while because I already have different projects I'm working on. Uh, but overall, it looks like a good kit. I like it. It's very detailed. Um, I think I picked this up on Amazon for like 24 bucks, something like that. All right, bro. Thank y'all for watching. You have a good night.